This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So let us write the pending topics, whatever it is there, and then we'll proceed planning. Okay. So the first one is like invoice register and approval journal. I have not explained them, right? Vendor invoice can be done invoice journal. Another one is purchase order to vendor invoice, and then like pending vendor invoice. These three only I have explained. Invoice register and approval journal I have not explained. Invoice register and pool I have not explained them, right? Whether I have explained or not. Yes or no, at least. Am I audible?
No, sir. No, sir. You haven't explained.
Yeah. So this is pending point. Okay. This is pending point. Pending topics. Next. Purchase expenditure per product. I have not explained. Okay, 0. It is posting 0. What is the reason? Next, bank reconciliation. Manual and automatic. And one of the important is consolidation and elimination. It is very important. That is pending. Yeah. Can you recollect anyone? Any more?
Sir, this data sharing data has been is over.
Data management framework. Actually, this is not in course content, but I need to explain you. Next one is implementation methodology. I have not explained it, right? I have not explained implementation methodology. Remember? Yes. Whether I have explained? Let me verify. I don't think so, but let me verify.
No, sir. No.
No. Yeah, it's not there. Okay, not covered. Fine. Anything else?
This residual value is salvage value, sir.
Workflow. Yeah, workflows I need to explain you. So this data management framework and workflows definitely it is pending. Yes. So it is in one is finance in the fixed assets module. Fixed asset module. Residual value, salvage value, right? Salvage value, and another one is like depreciation
convention method.
Depreciation convention. Okay. Any
and
more?
number sequence, sir. It was not
Yes,
complete.
exactly.
Number sequence.
Exactly. So actually, number sequences is also a part of this one, but I need to explain it. Actually, this is all these are MB300, but I need to cover implementation methodology also. It is a part of MB300.
And in ledger, sir, this balancing financial dimensions.
Okay, balancing financial dimensions. Yes, good. Anything else? And if it is required, item model group I have explained, but I will enhance some more knowledge about item model. Okay. Any more?
Sir, 12th May class should be my.
Yeah, it is prepayment invoice. That is prepayment invoice, am I right?
Yes, prepayment invoice, and something else was there, sir.
So can you recollect like what are the topics? Because
hierarchies, categories and hierarchies.
Yeah, okay. Categories. Category hierarchy.
And
actually this
pending vendor invoice was also taught on that day only.
Okay. So actually prepayment invoice while explaining it will be covered. Okay, pending vendor invoice. Actually the problem is at that time the my system has stuck in between. Okay, it was stuck. That is the reason it was not recorded properly. It is not mistake from institute or from me, technical problems. That is technical challenges. No problem. I will cover it. What is the problem? I can cover once again so that you can understand. Okay. Anything else?
Sir, anything like periodic tasks? Is there anything?
Okay. So month-end processes and year-end processes. I have discussed maybe, but let me recap. Month-end and year-end processes. Okay. Anything else?
Sir, this intercompany transactions.
So intercompany, yes. Actually, this is intercompany financials.
Financial.
Intercompany financials. This will be covered along with consolidation and elimination. In this, these are interlinked. Okay, these two are interlinked.
And
Okay,
this
fine.
financial reporting, sir, P&L and balance sheet.
Okay, so management reporter.
Management reporting.
So in our dynamics, it is called financial reporter. Management reporter. Yes, good. Anything else? Anything else?
Advanced back
This
calculation.
is the covered, sir. Verifying accounting structure during intercompany transactions.
Verifying
Accounting structure during intercompany transactions. The same thing, which is.
that is same. That is same. So
Okay.
advanced warehouse management, it is a not in T&L, not in finance. It is different. Someone else is asking about this one. Am I right?
No, sir. Yesterday you said advanced back calculations. You need to advanced back calculations. Something.
It is advanced bank reconciliation. That is this one
Okay.
here. Bank reconciliation. In this automatic means it is advanced.
Okay.
It was already covered. It was already written. Okay, automatic or advanced bank reconciliation. Yeah. Anything else?
Sir, revenue recognition related.
Revenue recognition. See, this is confusing a lot. It is T&L or it is finance. No problem. I will cover that one. No problem. Anything else?
Sir, do we have anything called work in progress?
Work in progress. That is actually work in progress means it is in production.
Yes.
Whenever you are,
So
whenever
any
you are,
like,
it will be part of
so do
production
we?
only.
So it
Yeah.
okay. So I think it will come part as a month end or year end processes, right?
No, that is not that one. It is, see, even for SAP also, SAP and SAP and Dynamics, there are different methodologies. In SAP, even product receipt is there. That is, it will be lying in the balances. You need to transfer. But in Dynamics, it is not required at all. Okay, so I will explain you that one. One is work in progress. Work in progress or product receipts. This is SAP versus Dynamics. Okay, I think our Sai is also there, am I right? So Sai is
Sir,
there. He is expert in SAP. Will compare. I will compare, but he will comment on my comparison. Okay, fine. Yeah, yes, please.
sir, do we have anything like compliance with accounting standards or this India standard of accounting or something like that?
No, I did not get you what exactly you were asked.
No, these are basically there is something called IFRS for to be
Okay.
followed by. So anything is there on that?
Actually, recently it was Microsoft is introduced one module.
Okay.
But that is 1 second. I will show you. But I'm not expertise in that area. It is only calculations. Still I'm exploring. Give me a minute. Let me show you. So just I will give you a brief about this one. Okay, let me write down. IFRS and another one is, what is that? Another one more report.
Indias. In Indian
No.
in an Indian environment, it is Indias.
INDIS.
INDAS. Space
Okay.
AS. Space AS. Indian Accounting Standards.
Okay. Another one is there, some other one.
IGAP, sir, or US GAAP.
US GAAP.
Yes, Cal. This is pure commerce terminology. Okay, fine. We'll see, but it is not 100% is exist or not something, but it is recently Microsoft has introduced one functionality. Give me a minute. Let me close this one and let me open. Whatever I have knowledge, I will try to share with you. But you are always welcome if you have more knowledge than me about this one, theoretically. Okay, fine. Once recently one module is introduced for these IFRS reports, international standards. Okay, some module is introduced, so I will give you a high level brief about this one. Okay, anything else? Anything else? So if you remember, please let me know. I will note down. Okay, don't worry on now itself. At least 1 day, 2 days. You can take 1 or 2 days and let me know the pending topics. Okay, so why I'm telling this one? Based on this one only, I can plan for next batch. Okay, if you are asking me tomorrow, actually like example, like tomorrow I'm planning to start a new batch. Now if you ask me today, I cannot. It is established already, informed to the entire team. So I'm not committing anything based on the pending topics. If it is some more pending topics, I will write down and I will explain you. Okay, so frankly I'm speaking, this is the batch. It is more than 3 months. The batch, it is going on more than 3 months. Earlier batches, it is 2.5 months, max to max 2.5 months. It may be 1 more week extra, but this batch is extending to, we have started this batch on 3rd of March or something. Am I right? Something on, what is the date?
3rd March it is.
It is 3rd March.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 3rd March we have started. No problem. See, I don't have any concerns like to teach everything. If you are interested, I will teach as much as possible. Okay, right, like let me know by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I will write down. Based on that I can plan. Okay, all these things, it will take at least minimum to minimum another 2 weeks, 1 week to 2 weeks, 1 week to 2 weeks it will take, minimum to minimum. It may be extended. Okay, fine. Now these 3 are already covered in the very first you learned these 3. Now let us explain. Let me explain this one. Okay, just give me a minute. It will be confusing later on if I want to verify. Let me write down this as here for reference purpose. I'm writing pending, so that whenever I'm progressing, I can open and I can see. Now first let me explain you a small topic, purchase expenditure for product. What is this purchase expenditure for product? Okay, 1099, it is a USA localization. No, it is not covered. 1099, it is localization specific to USA localization. Okay.
Sir, today is 24th May, sir, not 24th April. I
Oh,
think.
I'm sorry. Yeah, let me change this one. Yes, you are correct.
Just informed so that there is no confusion in future.
Yeah, exactly. You are right. You are right. Thanks for not finding me. Fine. Now let us understand this is purchase expenditure for product. 0 is posting. Okay. So what is this? Let me go back. whenever we are posting a purchase order invoice, so whenever you are posting a purchase order invoice, accounts payable, collapse all, purchase orders, give me a second, it is loading now. Okay, now if you select the invoice and if you verify invoice, journals invoice button, if you verify the voucher, so it is posted with the purchase expenditure for product. It is not showing here. Give me a minute, it is different. So in sometimes whenever it is posting, sometimes if you go to this purchase order invoice voucher, it is posted to purchase expenditure for product 0. Why it is required? Actually, it is not required. If it is 0 value, it is not required. But why it is showing the required? Actually, inside it is there. Purchase expenditure for product debit and credit 200 posting 0, net effect is 0. Then why it is required? Okay, this is the first question. So the day one I have explained, but I told you like I will explain you this one later. That's what I have conveyed long back. Now let me show you what is the benefit or what is the purpose of this one. Okay, I'm creating a new purchase order. Suppose select the vendor GBP vendor. I'm selecting GBP vendor 2. Selecting site and warehouse. Click OK. Okay, I'm selecting item. So now suppose 1000 GBP I'm entering. Oh, my bad luck, it is enabled. Okay, workflows also have not explained, am I right? I have written workflow. I have not explained, am I right? Whether I have explained or not?
No, sir.
No. Actually, workflows is a part of here. I have written, sorry. I have written already. Okay, workflows tomorrow I will explain you, not today. So now it is workflow is enabled. It is in draft mode. So I cannot proceed this one. Okay, otherwise, okay, let me proceed now. Workflow is actually, if you go to procurement and sourcing module, collapse all, setup, procurement and sourcing parameters. If you enable this activate change management checkbox, then it will throw, it will not allow to do process until and unless if his workflow is configured. Like see, confirmation you cannot see. Confirmation you cannot. The reason behind it is in the draft. Okay, so the conditions are, let me write down. I will make it one more item. I don't want to mix that one. 24th May 22. So the first most, if you want purchase order workflow. Then there are two things. One is in the procurement and sourcing module. Actually, this is part of P&L. Setup, procurement and sourcing parameters. Activate change management. Activate change management. Checkbox should be enabled. Next, workflow should be configured. That is, once again, procurement and sourcing module setup, procurement and sourcing workflows. Workflow should be configured. Okay. What it means? So activate change management. Checkbox should be enabled. In the procurement and sourcing setup, procurement and sourcing parameters, general tab, activate change management. This checkbox should be enabled. Next one, workflows, procurement and sourcing workflows. Workflow should be configured. This workflow, how to configure, I will show you it later. I will explain you how to do it. Now it should be configured. If it is configured, then you cannot do a confirmation. Then we need to do workflow, submit workflow. So if you do like this, it will be purchase order. If you create a purchase order, then the status, workflow status, will be in draft. Okay, it will be in draft. Look at this one. If it is in draft, you cannot do anything. You need to submit workflow. Means your manager you need to submit. Okay, now it is in review. It is in review. So if you look at this one, you can see the statuses. It is approval status. It is not workflow status. It is approval status. It is in draft initially. Once it is submitted, it will be in review. If it is in review, look at this one. It is in review. Now, even though if it is in review, you cannot do anything. See, look at this one. Confirmation button is disabled. You cannot do anything. So if you go to the workflow, you have submitted to your manager. Workflow history. Now look at this screen. It was assigned to Inga. So that is configuration. In the configuration, it is assigned to Inga, your manager Inga. What is your name? It is Ingberg. Sorry, let me show you here. Julia Funderburg. Let me show you our username, where it is available. Look at this one. System administrator. Collapse all. users, Julia Funderburg, it is system administrator. So look at this one. Our name is Julia Funderburg. This system is logged in through admin. This admin user is mapped with Julia Funderburg. You can see here. User is mapped with employee. Okay, Julia Funderburg. Now my manager is Inga. So where it is available means in the workflow inside. If you open this workflow inside, now it is not opening. It will not open from this one. I will show you alternative solution. Okay, don't bother about that one. Now it is Inga should approve, but my manager Inga, how can I log in? With the login credentials Inga, I can do it. But now we are system administrator. We are system administrators, so we can reassign to ourselves. This is you cannot do if you are a accountant, if you are a purchasing clerk. Suppose if you are a normal user, take the example, you are an administrator, you are not administrator, you are one normal employee, then you don't have system administrator role. For these roles, you cannot reassign this one. This is not possible at all. Until and unless your manager approved, you need to wait for some time. But now we are administrators. We are administrators. It is not this one. It is this one. System administrator. System administrator means the topmost permissions. Everything can be done. That is the reason it is allowing. I can reassign to myself. Okay, click OK. Now look at this one. Inga to delegated from Inga to Julia. Delegated from Inga to Julia. Now if you refresh, it is now I can approve because I have assigned to myself. I can approve, I can reject, I can do change request, I can do delegation. Delegation means some other person need to approve. Otherwise, I can recall and I can modify the things. Okay, these are options. Now I'm approving. That means instead of my manager, I have taken control and I am approving. Something I have entered. Now refresh. So let me, it will take 1 or 2 minutes time. If you refresh, it will change to in review, approved. So once it is workflow is approved by manager, then approval status will be changed to approved. So this is entire process is logistics. This entire process is logistics. Then we know like purchase order confirmation. Next product receipt. And then vendor invoice. Okay, this we are learning from many days. All right. Any confusion till now? This is if you are enabling this activate change management checkbox and workflow configured, then you need to follow this entire process. Next, during confirmation, it will be budget will be validated. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we learned this one. Okay, let me do a confirmation. Okay, now it is the status will be changed to confirmed. Now let me go back. General ledger, collapse all, ledger setup, ledger. Now in the exchange rates, GBP versus USD. Okay, here we have entered. Now tomorrow I'm entering from 25th. I'm entering 1.18. Okay, 1.18. Till now, like today date 23rd or 24th, it is 1.15. Later it was 1.18. I have entered. Now I'm doing product receipt. So product receipt I'm entering. I'm entering product receipt date, document date. Now if you verify the totals, it is 1.15. 1.15. Am I right? 1000 GBP 1.15. Let me verify whether we have enabled this checkbox postings at the time of product receipt. I'm enabling this checkbox. Post product receipt in ledger. Okay, so now I'm proceeding. Click OK. Now, if you verify the voucher product receipt, vouchers, it was posted to 1000 GBP is equal to 166 something value it is there. So what is the exchange rate at this point? Okay, there is a bug actually, it is coming. Okay, we observed like this is a bug inside earlier. I don't know what is it is. See, still it is taking that one only. Okay, fine, no problem. Let me proceed. Now actually I cannot show this one error, but let me proceed. I'm doing invoice. Click on generate invoice. I will explain you orally, but not practically, because otherwise I will show you from some other application. I will use some other one. I will show you. So vendor invoice number. Now the date, suppose I have received invoice copy on 27. Okay, posting date also 27. Then what happens? Exchange rate, it should take, if you verify the totals, it will not be 1.15. It will be, okay, this is actually wrong. It should be 1.18. Am I right? Agree? Agree with me? Are you able to hear me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it should be 1.18. Actually, there is a bug inside. That is the reason I don't know why it was stored like 1.636 the volt, but it is not changing. Okay, no problem. So now update status past. Now post. Voucher. Actually, now it is both are same. There is no issue. Actually, because of the bug, it is coming like this. Am I right? But in real time scenario, at the time of product receipt, it is posted to 1150. Am I right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now at the time of invoice, it is 1180. Got it? The difference will be posted here. Actually, this should be 1150 to reverse the account earlier, and this is 1180. So the difference between product receipt and invoice, the exchange rates will be posted to this account. Got it? Because of bug, it is not showing. Last time also I told this is actually 1150. Am I right? Product receipt, purchase approval. Agree, 1000 GBP, but it is 1150 as per the actual transaction. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That should be reversed with 1140 only, 1150 only, but it will update with 1180 for the new one. So the difference is it will be stored in this account.
That exchange difference amount, it will not go to different accounts, sir.
For that only we are keeping this purchase expenditure per product.
Okay.
It's not different account, it is this one only. Okay.
So in the test instance, it is mapped to miscellaneous. Actually, it has to go. If we want to see how much is the exchange gain,
Yeah, you
loss.
can map the account, whatever the account it is there. See, whatever the based on the mapping in the posting, like see, if you go to inventory management, your question is looking at the ledger account, am I right? So
Yes, sir.
here, whatever you are mapping, purchase expenditure per product, whatever you are mapping, that account it will be posted.
Okay.
That's it. It is raw material receipt, something it is there. So whatever the account you want to map it, you can map it. That is the difference. That is the reason it will be posted normally. If it is a accounting currency and the transaction currency both are same, it will post 0. If it is accounting currency and like transaction currency is different, then it will post to this account. Understood, everyone? So at this point 1000 GBP, but the exchange rate is 1.15, then it will post to 1150 US dollars. Agree? At the time of invoice, then this should be reversed. This is accrual actually. Accrual account, it will be posted to credit. This is after credit, and this is debit now. We'll post one more account. Understood? The original transaction should be reversed without any problems. Agree? That should be reversed. Whatever you have entered 1000, 1000 with this one. The entry exactly it will be posted, and then it will be reversed. The amount, the entries. Okay, to nullify. I'm not able to show you properly. The system has problem. If it is required, tomorrow I will show you in another environment. I will show you so that you can understand this one. So the only difference is that 30 difference it should be posted to this account. Okay. Tomorrow I will take another environment and I will show you. Fine. Is it clear at least orally?
Sir,
Practically,
we
I'm
can
not
do
able
in
to show.
sir, we can do in APL, sir,
Sorry?
in APL company.
In APL company also it will be the same. Okay, fine, fine. Let me try to. And APL company also, if it is bug is there for the bug will be lying in the APL as well. It is not company specific bug. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Then we can continue.
Yeah, yeah. So no use. It will be the same issue. Will be continued because exchange rates and everything it is the same. There is no change. Even for this also, it is APL also it is same, right? So I will show you tomorrow with another environment. If you really want that one, you can understand clearly. Okay, fine. Let me proceed now. So let me go to this one topics. This is I have introduced, I have discussed, but not completed. These two I will recap once again. These two. Okay, this is a big topic. 1 hour I need to teach. We'll do one thing. I will explain about the consolidation. I will initiate, but I will show you later. Okay, what is the purpose of consolidation? What is this? Consolidation. Anyone has any idea what is this consolidation? Anyone? Any idea? What is this consolidation? High
If
level picture anything?
there is a group of companies, one company
Hmm.
controlling other companies, sir. Means
Okay.
one company is having the share of more than 51% of another company's
Okay.
share capital.
Okay.
Then this holding company, it has to show the transactions, means uh, the P&L and balance sheet in his holding company, the
Okay.
majority holding company.
Okay. Fine. So let me explain you. You are correct, but let me explain in a like more little detailed information. Suppose I have company in Hyderabad, another company in suppose Delhi, another company in Singapore. 3 companies. Okay, I want to see consolidation company. In the consolidation company, I want to see the entire balance sheet or profit and loss account or income statement, every report I want to see. Then I can copy the data from company A to this one, company B to this one, company C to this company. In our example, take this one, it is USMF. Take this example, it is DMF. Take another example, this is APL company. Like this. Now we are copying the data from this company to this company. Like this. So what are the company data it will be copied means subledgers cannot be copied. Subledgers cannot be copied means customer data cannot be copied, vendor data cannot be copied, item data cannot be copied. Then what is the data copied? Ledger account or main accounts data. Main accounts or financial dimensions. Main accounts or financial dimensions or main account category. These data only will be transferred from this company to this company, from this company to this company, from this company to this company. Now you are telling like main accounts data will be copied from here to here, here to here, here to here. Suppose take the example, travel expenses. It is 620,200. This is travel expenditure expenses. Okay. Now in this, if the same account 620,200, good, that is fine. If in case it is not that account, 62050 is travel expenses. Then how these two will be consolidated? Am I right? The problem. In this chart of accounts are different, in this chart of accounts are different. Then these two system will not read the travel expenses. If it is same, no issues, don't worry at all. We don't have any complexity. We don't have any concerns. If in case these two are different, then what I have to do? So in this company also travel expenditure will be there. Am I right? Then in this whatever account is there, that account I will tag here in this company. I will tag to this account. But here for this two are both are same. Both are same means it is not required. But for this one, it is different. So Then I need to connect this one to okay. I will mention like this means you need to update to 620,200. This is called consolidation account. Understood? So let me show you practically in the system and then I will tell you. This is called consolidation company. This is called consolidation company. These companies are called these all companies are called in India we will call it as sister concern companies. Am I right? Have you heard about this one? Sister concern companies. In India we will call it as sister. Actually in the world it is child companies or daughter companies. Okay, so in India it is called sister concern companies. In some companies it is called child companies or daughter companies. Here it is called consolidation company or parent company. Okay, this is called consolidation company or parent company. This is called sister concern companies. What is the difference between these two? Okay, let me show you. If you go to USMF company, where we can create a company? Can you guide me? Where we can create a company? In which module?
Organization
Organization administration.
administration.
Where?
Organizations,
Organizations,
legal entities.
legal entities. This is USMF company. It is showing here. Now, in this company, used for financial consolidation, used for financial elimination process. These two checkboxes are not enabled. Means child companies or daughter companies or sister concern companies, these will not be enabled. But if you go to one company called GLCO, these two are enabled. If these two are enabled, then in this checkboxes, if it is enabled, you cannot post any transaction. In this company, if you go to in this company GLCO, we will not create any vendors. transaction cannot be created. You cannot create customers. You cannot create vendors. You cannot create item. You will not create item. Even if it is created, you cannot post a sales order invoice, vendor payment. It is not possible. So this company, consolidation company, means, so in legal entity, used for consolidation process, used for financial consolidation, used for financial consolidation process, and used for financial elimination process. Okay, these two, if you enable, you cannot post any transactions in this company. Got it? The first condition. You cannot post any single transaction in this company. Understood this one first checkbox? What you can do, this is called parent company or consolidation company. You can copy the data from here to here. Copy the data. So what data? Copy data means this one only. Understood?
Sir, in real time, the parent company will not book any expenses like that. It means
No. So if it is a parent company, also normal company, you can create one more company. In this consolidation company, you cannot post any single transaction. This is a virtual company. Parent company or consolidation company or virtual company.
If that is the case, only for consolidation purpose, we need to create separate one more entity. Is it?
Yes. You need to create.
Okay.
You need to
What about
create
this one? Subsidiary company and sister companies are the same. Is it, sir? Or for subsidiary company?
These are whatever you have learned till now. Whatever you have learned, that was this one. Understood?
Yes.
Regularly we are posting a transactions from last 3 months, 2.5 months, more than 2.5 months, whatever you are learning, that is this one. Okay, this is also, you need to create a one company, virtual company, and once it is created a company, what is the next step? Company creation steps. Can anyone brief me? Company was created. Next,
number sequence.
number sequence, we need to map it. Next,
Calendars.
calendars we need to create. Next,
Chart of accounts
chart of
and
accounts.
financial
Next,
dimensions,
dimensions.
accounting
Next,
structure.
accounting structure. Next,
After that, currencies,
currencies, exchange rates. Okay, next,
exchange type of the exchange rate, then ledger.
ledger form. So
Ledger form.
we need to map all those things in this company also. In this company also, we need to map all those things. Now we are mapping ledger. The same thing, everything we need to proceed. Okay. Now in this company we have chart of accounts, am I right? Main accounts.
Yeah.
So in the parent company also main accounts are there. In child company also main accounts are there. If both are same, no issues. If both are different. In DMF company, this account is different. Then I can go to DMF company. I can go to DMF company. Okay, I will go to main accounts. Then I can enter my parent company account. Understood?
Yes, the same way I think for all the accounts, whatever it is different from parent company, that time I think same we need to mention here, right?
Exactly right. In each and every child company, you need to enter parent company account. But if it is both are same, no need. If it is different, it is must, you need to map it. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I will recap this process entire once again. Okay. Now it is already 9:05. So many people are leaving. Okay. We'll discuss once again tomorrow about once again consultation process. I will explain you, and if required, I will explain you this this also in the another company. Okay. Another I will discuss. Okay. Fine.
Excuse me,
Any
sir.
more quick questions, team? Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, last time also I asked about partial product receipt. One more topic we need to
Okay,
add.
partial product. So partial product receipt. Okay, I will teach you, but it is in detail. It will be in product in T&L, but I will show you that one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
And
There are
sir, customized report,
yeah,
customized reports.
customized reports. It is a part of technical.
Okay.
Means that the invoices that we have to format for PO, we need to format that.
So in that, I will give you some high-level picture during implementation methodology. In this, I will give you explanation about customization, how to do it. Functional design. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Okay, so why I'm telling this one? See, partial product receipt. Why I'm telling product in T&L? Because there are many options. There are so many options inside. Okay, in T&L you are going to learn a lot. Like there are many things. It's a big subject. Okay, so I will give you high level picture, but I cannot teach you the entire subject. Got it? If you want me to explain everything, it is in T&L. But high level picture I can give you.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Anything else, team? Anyone?
Sir, in SAP, you'll be having that assignment company to company codes, right? So that no need to create separately. Whatever other company codes, it will automatically be reflecting in company, right? So here in we are creating parent company separately and the child company separately, right? So that linkage
Yes.
somewhere we need to do it.
Okay, fine. Now in SAP, you are creating a parent. Under this parent, you are creating childs.
Yeah.
But in Dynamics, we are creating childs first. Whenever you need, we can create parents. Means the advantage in SAP in Dynamics, I can create one more parent. I can create one more parent, and I can tag these two. This one with another one more company. This is not possible in SAP.
Yes.
Am I right? Sai, agree with me?
Yes, sir, agree. But in SAP also, it's not mandatory to create the parent company, sir. As per the business nature, we create the parent and then the assistant concerned companies. But it's more or less like Microsoft Dynamics only, sir. It's not mandatory in SAP also.
But actually, then whether it is possible to map to child, suppose I have created childs. Can we connect to parent? Is it possible in SAP?
Yes, sir, it's possible. We can connect child entities to the parent entity. Yes.
Oh, okay. So this is available in SAP as well, you mean to say?
Yes, available, sir. Yes.
That company codes we can assign to client or parent companies whenever we want. But here also, do we need to assign that part? Right?
So I will show you. It is not completed. Tomorrow I will explain you. So in the consolidation in GLCO company, whenever you are doing consolidation, I need to explain you about consolidation online. During consolidation online, in this GLCO, you are telling like what are the companies you want.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to teach you that one. So still I need to explain you a lot. Okay. So say you mean to say, Sai, it is possible in SAP as well. Child can be tagged with a parent, another multiple parents.
Not multiple parents, sir. One parent company. We can tag
Only
it to
one parent.
one parent.
Okay, but multiple parents we cannot do it, am I right?
Yes, we cannot do it.
But it is possible in Dynamics.
But also we have one difficulty, sir. If it is a large scale organization, that consolidation process also is very difficult in SAP. So there we have to depend upon third party systems like FCRS and other third party tools, sir, because it's very difficult if you want to consolidate the large organization related financials in SAP.
Okay. What is the tool? It is
FCRS, Financial Consolidation and Reporting System.
Financial
Consolidation and Reporting System, FCRS. This third party tool gives the flexibility, sir, because SAP is having the different kind of consolidation format. This specific third party tool will give us in a different format, which is more flexible than the SAP format. It gives the more understanding about the financials like balance sheet balances, liabilities, receivables, and the cash flow statements. It is more flexible, this FCRS one, as compared to the SAP format.
okay. Actually here maybe this also may have some limitations, but not sure limitations, but you can have multiple parents. It is possible. Flexible this. Actually this product SAP is invented in 1972, whereas Dynamics it is 1998. So there is a lot of gap. SAP is a senior product. Okay, 1972, but whereas in Dynamics it is 1998. Of course, it is popular from SAP is popular from 2000 onwards, and Dynamics is popular from 2006, 7, 8. During 2006, 7, 8, was getting popular slowly. Of course, even though it is popular now, from last 1.5 years, it is popular, getting popular more, much. Okay, fine. Yeah. Any more quick questions, team? Anyone? So if nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 8 a.m. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.